What's going on, my fellow miners? Welcome back. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you guys are having a better day than I am. Just found out my roof is leaking. Yay. So I'm going to be dealing with that for probably the next month or so. Let me know how your day is going down below in the comment section. I want to know. I want to hear some good stories. That's what I want to hear. I know it's been a little bit since I've done a video. I know I've been kind of sporadic on videos, and I apologize for that, guys. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you guys leaving comments, likes, subscribing, all of that. It really means a lot that you guys continue supporting the channel. I promise I'll get back to normal. I've just been feeling under the weather and really busy with everything going on. Still dealing with the car situation. I got one car up and running, but I sprained my wrist, so I've been dealing with that too. But yeah. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about Ravencoin. Everybody else is talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. I want to talk to you guys about Ravencoin, and I feel like we're going to be doing this a little bit with different coins here and there, specifically coins that I'm personally getting bags ready for. So besides letting me know how your day is going, hopefully it's a good one, let me know down in the comment section, are you getting your bags ready for Ravencoin? And how big of a bag is your goal for Ravencoin? So I'm going to talk about this. I'm going to talk about all this. We're going to take a look at Ravencoin today. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you information of what I'm doing, what I'm looking forward to. We're going to take a look at Ravencoin as it is today and talk about what we can speculate for the future. Again, not financial advisor. Do your own research and due diligence. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new. A lot of you guys are not yet subscribed. Hit the thumbs up. Let's do it. Let's get it to 5K before the end of the year. That's the goal. 5K. All right. With that, let's go ahead and we're going to switch it over. And let's talk about some Ravencoin. And also that I switched one of my PCs over to just mine Ravencoin for a good while now. So let's go and switch it over. Let's go. All right. So I switched over one of my PCs to mine Ravencoin. The other PC I still have. It's mining, it's still mining Ethereum. Now, the reason why the other PC is still mining Ethereum is because it's a 1060 and a 1080. I'm not going to switch those over to Ravencoin. I could, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave them mining Ethereum through NiceHash, and that way I can still get paid in Bitcoin while I'm doing this with mining Ravencoin. So I've already started accumulating bags of Ravencoin, both on crypto.com and on Binance. Now, here's the thing with crypto.com. Unfortunately, I can't mine and send my Ravencoin over to crypto.com. I have to buy Ravencoin over there, so I'd have to mine a different coin, which is what I was doing. I was mining on NiceHash, getting paid Bitcoin, and then using my profits to buy Ravencoin that way because it was more profitable, and it probably still is right now. But here's the little kicker. Right now, payouts on Ravencoin are a little bit more because everybody is mining Ethereum right now. So because everybody switched over to Ethereum, less people are mining Ravencoin to an extent. So we're going to talk about this. So currently my hash rate on this PC is 75 mega hash a second. Okay, that's with a 3060. Doesn't matter which version because they all mine the same on Ravencoin. So I'm running a 3060, a 2070, and a 2080 Super. All right, so the combined hash rate on those three cards is 75 mega hash. With that being said, in a day, it should net me about 66 Ravencoin. 66, 67 Ravencoin, doesn't matter. Let's just say 65. Make it easy. Sorry. 65 Ravencoin and estimated income, if I sell that 65 Ravencoin, of about $9 a day. Now, that is at current market price for Ravencoin. Current market price of Ravencoin, as of this video, is sitting around almost 14 cents. It's been up and down all day today, going 13, 14 cents. It's fine. Let's just say 14 cents. Not a big deal. Just for all intents and purposes, make it easy. Okay, so sitting at 14 cents is what Ravencoin is sitting at right now. Now, the problem that I had before with Ravencoin is that when I was mining Ravencoin, it wasn't worth it for me because I would be mining Ravencoin, same hash rate, 75 mega hash, and I'd only be getting about half of what I'd be getting here for Ravencoin. Actually, less than half, and I'm going to show you in a second. So Less than half is what I was getting mining in a 24-hour period. That's because more people were mining Ravencoin at the time. Now that Ethereum is pumping, and now that Bitcoin is pumping, everybody is back to mining Ethereum and Bitcoin. And while again that would make more sense, for just cashing out on profits, for me, I want to build up some sort of a bag for Ravencoin to start out with, right? So just to get it going, and then I'll switch back to mining more Bitcoin and Ethereum. Mining Ethereum for get paid in Bitcoin through NiceHash. Okay, so with that being said, this is what I was mining before, what I was making before. So we'll go over here to my miner stats, and right here, total paid. That is what I would make in a 24-hour period. Like I mined for 24 hours. That's what I made in 24 hours. That sucked. That was horrendous. That's why I stopped mining Ravencoin, and I switched over to mine with NiceHash to get paid in Bitcoin and then buy Ravencoin. So that's what I did, because that's my Twitter. Because mining through NiceHash before, or even now, honestly, if I mine through NiceHash right now, I make about $30 every 2 days, something like that, like a payout every 2 days, which is nice because then I take that payout and I can buy whatever I want. I have a bag of SHIB. I have a bag of Cardano that's growing, and now I'm growing a bag of Ravencoin. I also have other bags and different coins, different things that I'm doing that we're going to talk about in the future pretty soon here. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. I have a goal of about 2,000 Ravencoin is what I want to hold. I know it's not that much, but that's what I want for right now. While the price is low-ish, we're going to talk about the price in a second, what it's been doing. So while the price is low-ish before the halving happens, and then the price starts to go up. So let's go and switch over to right here where we look at the hash rate of Ravencoin. Sorry, I'm getting over a cold. Again, I said before I was feeling under the weather, which is why I haven't been doing too many videos. So Ravencoin, like I mentioned, a lot of people jumped off of Ravencoin and switched back over to mine Ethereum. Now, while it doesn't necessarily show here in the 7-day history, you can look over here where everybody jumped onto Ravencoin, and then you see little dips over here on the difficulty curve, right? So you see everybody jumped onto Ravencoin around July is when people started jumping in, and then it peaked around August when Ravencoin was the most profitable thing to mine because Ethereum hadn't started pumping yet. But now that Ethereum is pumping, there are dips in that difficulty curve. So that is one of the reasons why I'm seeing a better payout when it comes to mining Ravencoin, which is why I switched over, why it makes the most sense for me to do so. If we go over to the price of Ravencoin, this is where it gets a little interesting. Okay, so currently, like I said, it's around 14 cents. So we are nowhere near the all-time highs. The all-time high is sitting around 23 cents for Ravencoin, which is a good thing that we're not near the all-time highs. The all-time highs peaked around where the all-time highs were for Bitcoin. Now that we're seeing the all-time highs for Bitcoin and Ethereum start to get touched and passed, Ethereum has squashed the all-time high, and Bitcoin has passed it, trailed back, and is getting ready to retest pretty soon. We get to see Ravencoin starting to do the same thing. So we have here, and again, we're not doing full analytics on this. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't analyze the coins, but we have here a nice dipping period where it's below the all-time highs. Now, if you bought down here, awesome. I commend you for it. I didn't at the time, although I did get some from mining, but again, it's not that big a deal. Right here, though, is where we are, and currently, like I said, it's still a good buying point if you're buying or mining because we are not at that all-time high yet. So once that halving happens, which is coming up in January, we're going to start seeing the price start to creep back up, and we'll probably see it happen around December as more and more people start to jump back onto Ravencoin, and we see more people trading it, and we see hopefully we see Coinbase pick it up and other exchanges, because the more exchanges that pick it up, that influences the prices because more people start investing in it. And a lot of people seem to forget about that's one of the reasons why exchanges are kind of important as far as the price of certain coins, right? Like if we don't have these coins on exchanges, then we don't really get to see the price fluctuate as much as we would like to, or the price jump up as much as we would like to. So, for example, this coin is listed on crypto.com. You can buy it, you can hold it, but you can't transfer your Ravencoin to crypto.com. The moment that you're able to transfer your Ravencoin to crypto.com, you're going to start seeing the price fluctuate. You're going to see the price going up. If this gets listed on Coinbase as a tradable asset, then again, you're going to start seeing the price climb up. If it gets listed on Robinhood, once the big exchanges pick it up, then we're good to go. Unfortunately for me, the only place that I can send this to without, sending it to like Trust Wallet or Ravencoin Wallet, whatever, when it comes to an exchange, is Binance. But Binance sucks for the US. We're limited to what we can do. But I can send it over to Binance, and if I want to trade it for Bitcoin or whatever, I can do that. Or if I want to sell it for USDT or whatever, I can do that, or BUSD, or just swap it out for Binance. So, I have that option when it comes to Binance, but personally, because I'm in the US, I would rather be able to trade it freely over on crypto.com or Coinbase, just because it makes things easier. And that's what I'm about. I'm about ease of access, and a lot of people, a lot of the general traders are about that ease of access. So hopefully we get to see that happen really soon. But as of right now, Ravencoin is looking really good. I'm liking what I see. I like the price where it's at. I like this big pump that happened that was actually fairly recent. You're talking about August. So August, we saw that big pump all the way to 15 cents. It did pull back a bit, and that's fine. Like, I got a bag, and I'm growing that bag. So that's my plan. That's what I'm looking forward to. And I just wanted to talk about Ravencoin for a bit, because everybody else is talking about everything else, but nobody's talking about Ravencoin. You can't forget about Ravencoin. The little birdie that could. The little birdie that is. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know how your day is. And let me know if you're holding bags of Ravencoin. With that, I will see you guys next time. Everybody, happy mining.